Genetically modified plants are engineered to signal specific nutrient deficiencies. Instead of wilting, these plants emit a soft, visible glow when a deficiency occurs. This bioluminescence acts as a direct, non-destructive indicator of plant health. The glow signals that the plant requires a particular essential element for growth. This method offers a precise and immediate way to identify and address plant nutrient needs. Bioluminescence in plants is achieved by incorporating specific genes from luminous organisms. These genes, sourced from fireflies or certain bacteria, are integrated into the plant's DNA. The engineered genes are designed to activate under specific conditions within the plant. Activation occurs when a critical nutrient concentration falls below a defined threshold. Upon activation, these genes produce light-emitting proteins, causing the plant to glow. This system enables highly precise and efficient plant care through advanced monitoring. Plants are engineered to glow, indicating an immediate need for a specific nutrient. This visual cue allows for targeted fertilization, addressing exact plant requirements. The approach minimizes nutrient waste by applying only what is necessary. It prevents over-fertilization, optimizing plant health without guesswork. This method reduces environmental impact by eliminating excess nutrient runoff.
Plants often display visible signs of stress, indicating underlying issues. Common symptoms include drooping foliage, where leaves lose turgidity and sag. Another indicator is yellowing leaves, known as chlorosis, due to chlorophyll loss. These visible symptoms manifest only after a period of prolonged duress. The delayed appearance of these signs poses challenges for timely intervention. Early detection of plant stress is crucial for effective management and recovery. Specific nutrient deficiencies in plants manifest through distinct visual symptoms. A lack of nitrogen typically causes older leaves to turn yellow, indicating a mobile nutrient deficiency. Inadequate phosphorus supply can severely hinder the development of a plant's root system. Insufficient potassium often leads to weakened stems and a reduction in flowering capacity. A key challenge in plant care is the delayed appearance of stress indicators. Visible symptoms of plant distress often emerge only after significant damage has occurred. Developing methods for proactive signaling of plant needs is crucial. Early intervention based on these signals can improve plant health management significantly.
Bioluminescence is a natural phenomenon observed in certain organisms, such as fireflies. It involves the emission of light through a specific chemical reaction within the organism. The process begins with a molecule known as luciferin. Luciferin reacts with oxygen in the presence of an enzyme called luciferase. This enzymatic reaction facilitates the oxidation of luciferin. The chemical energy released from this reaction is converted into light, producing bioluminescence. Scientists have successfully transferred genes from bioluminescent organisms into plants. These genes are responsible for the production of luciferase, an enzyme causing light emission. This genetic modification enables plant cells to synthesize luciferase through controlled experiments. As a result, the modified plants can produce a faint light under specific conditions. Bioengineering techniques are used to create ornamental plants that glow continuously. Companies like Light Bio have successfully developed such glowing plant varieties. A more advanced application involves plants glowing only under specific environmental conditions. For example, plants could glow to visually indicate a drop in nutrient levels, serving as an alert.
Soil sensors are critical components for environmental monitoring in plant cultivation. These sensors are strategically installed to measure key soil parameters. They accurately assess nitrogen levels, vital for plant growth and health. Moisture content is continuously monitored to ensure optimal hydration for plants. The pH balance of the soil is also measured, which impacts nutrient availability. Real-time data collected by these sensors provides foundational input for comprehensive monitoring systems. Sensor data is continuously collected and fed into a microcontroller system. A small integrated AI model powers this system, enabling advanced data analysis. The AI analyzes the sensor data to identify and predict nutrient deficiency trends. It forecasts when critical nutrient levels, like nitrogen, may drop below healthy threshold. An AI model predicts nutrient deficiency in plants, triggering a low-energy bioluminescent response. In a lab, this involves genetic modifications for gene expression, but here, it's a simulation. An LED bioreactive coating is used with nutrient sensors and AI automation. This causes plants to emit a soft glow, indicating their need for feeding.
Traditional fertilization practices in commercial agriculture often lead to over-application of nutrients. Crops are unable to absorb all the applied nutrients, resulting in a significant surplus. This unabsorbed excess fertilizer represents considerable waste of resources and investment. The unused nutrients do not remain in the soil. Instead, they leach into the surrounding environment. This leaching process is a primary cause of water pollution in nearby rivers, lakes, and groundwater. Ultimately, the over-application of fertilizers leads to widespread ecological damage and environmental degradation. Smart bioindicator plants are engineered to provide real-time data on their physiological needs. These plants function as living sensors, responding to specific conditions like nutrient deficiencies or stress. They exhibit visible changes, such as glowing or altering color, to signal their requirements. This allows for precise determination of when and how much fertilizer is needed, optimizing plant care. Smart bioindicator plants enable precise nutrient delivery in agricultural systems. This technology significantly reduces the waste of fertilizers. It also effectively prevents early crop stress, promoting healthier growth. The targeted nutrient approach leads to improved overall crop yields. This method substantially cuts down on environmental impact from agricultural runoff. Traditional fertilization methods in commercial agriculture often lead to over-application of nutrients. Excess nutrients are not absorbed by crops, resulting in significant waste of resources. This over-application contributes to environmental damage through nutrient runoff into water sources. The runoff causes water pollution, negatively impacting ecosystems and water quality. Smart bioindicator plants are engineered to respond to specific environmental conditions. These plants can detect nutrient levels or stress factors within their environment. Integrated into agriculture, they visibly signal their needs, like nutrient deficiencies. This technology reduces fertilizer waste and prevents severe crop stress, optimizing plant health. A glowing plant serves as a direct visual indicator of its health status. This technology transforms complex data about plant health and nutrient needs into an observable signal. It enables precise resource management for optimal plant growth. This approach significantly improves crop yields by addressing specific plant requirements. It also reduces environmental impact compared to conventional farming practices.
In controlled vertical farm environments, crops are engineered to exhibit soft, localized luminescence. This glow serves as an immediate visual indicator of plant health and nutrient status. The luminescence intensifies or changes color in response to fluctuations in specific nutrient levels. This system allows for real-time monitoring and optimization of growth conditions for enhanced crop yield. Specialized greenhouses enable advanced plant monitoring through light emission patterns. Plants within these environments display intricate light patterns, similar to constellations. These light emissions directly correlate with the plant's various physiological states. This method allows for precise, real-time assessment of the entire plant ecosystem, including stress detection. Futuristic space habitats utilize advanced life support systems for human habitation in extraterrestrial environments. These systems rely on closed-loop mechanisms, integrating plant life for oxygen generation and waste recycling. Crops within the habitat emit light, providing visual signals of their survival status and viability. This instant feedback is crucial for maintaining the delicate balance of the closed-loop life support system. A night garden showcases plants emitting a soft, consistent glow, creating an ethereal environment. This luminescence is a result of advanced scientific modification, specifically biotechnology. The genetic engineering of plants allows them to produce light through bioluminescent pathways. This technology demonstrates both the aesthetic and practical applications of biotechnology. Such glowing flora can offer innovative solutions for sustainable lighting and decorative landscaping. This module explores the scientific principle of bioluminescence in plants. It demonstrates how genetic engineering enables plants to produce their own light. The process is a form of biological expression where light is generated by living organisms, This engineered luminescence could potentially convey information or specific plant states. Such bioengineered plants represent advancements in synthetic biology and communication. Bioluminescent plants offer a conceptual future for novel communication interfaces. This paradigm shift involves understanding plant signals expressed through light emissions. Such an interface could open new avenues for human-plant interaction. It also presents possibilities for advanced environmental monitoring systems. The light signals would convey information, bridging the communication gap with flora